Here we have a 65 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sport calipers just behind. We've got the black kidney grills there at the front, as well as a full M Performance kit. We've also got the black sapphire metallic paintwork on this vehicle, which looks fantastic. Putting around, you'll see you've got the M Sports badging, side skirts, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top there. We've then got our spoiler at the rear, which really sets the back end off nicely. Now you've also got front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, as well as a reversing camera, dual exit exhaust tips on the bottom left just there. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's have a quick look at that interior. There you are. Full leather interior. We've got heated seats for both front passengers, and there is a look at the rear as well. The vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.